All right, so Bitwarden not saving your passwords, yeah, that can be really frustrating, but don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, quick idea. This problem usually happens because of settings, permissions, or browser-related issues. Start by checking if the save prompt is enabled in Bitwarden settings. Make sure the option Ask to add login is turned on. Next, make sure the Bitwarden extension is installed and active in your browser. Also check autofill and save settings. Both should be enabled for everything to work properly. Make sure your vault is unlocked because Bitwarden won't save passwords if it's locked. Keep in mind that some websites block password saving. In that case, you'll need to save your login manually. You can do that by clicking the Bitwarden extension and adding a new login yourself. Make sure your app or extension is updated to the latest version. If the issue continues, try clearing your browser cache or restarting your device. And if nothing works, reinstall Bitwarden completely. Also, always double-check your vault to make sure your passwords are saved correctly. So yeah, these fixes should help Bitwarden save passwords properly again. And, if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More tech fixes coming soon.